Myself, Ansari Safia, Assistant Professor in Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now, this presentation is for FYBSc Physics paper first. Now, the title is Work and Energy. Now, the term work by itself doesn't convey any meaning. To convey the proper meaning, work must be expressed as work done on a body or work done by a body. Now, work, it is said to be done on an object if the force acting on the object is able to move the object through some distance in the direction of force. When work is done on the object acquires the ability to do work. For example, when you throw a ball, you do work on the ball to give it speed as it leaves your hand. When the moving ball hits on some other body, it applies force on that body due to which it gets displaced, thus work is done by ball. Now, work is defined as the product of magnitude of force and the distance through which the body moves in the direction of force. Therefore, work done W is equal to force into displacement is equal to F into S. Its unit is 1 joule in SI system, where F is measured in Newton and S is measured in meter. Therefore, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter, and the dimensions are M1, L2, T minus. Now, energy. The capacity of a body to do the work is called as energy. There are different forms of energy: chemical energy, thermal energy, electric energy, mechanical energy, light energy, and so on. Now, these energies can be categorized in two main classes: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, it is defined as energy possessed by body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Now, the kinetic energy of body of mass m moving with velocity v is 1/2 mv square. It is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is joule or arg in CGS system. It depends on its velocity. The velocity of the particle can be changed by applying a force which can do work on the particle. Now, differentiating equation first, then we get dk by dt is equal to 1/2 m as it is, and differentiation of v square, that is 2v dv by dt. Now, 2 will be cancelled, therefore it is equal to v into m dv by dt. But dv by dt is acceleration, that means v into m into a, but m into a, that is force, therefore v dot f. Here v and f both are vector quantities, but their product is scalar, that means this is a dot product, and dot product is defined as magnitude of v, magnitude of f, and cosine of angle between them, where theta is angle between force and the velocity. Now, dk by dt is equal to v dot ft. Now, if theta is equal to 0, so from this equation it is clear that kinetic energy of a body changes if the speed of the particle changes, and it happens only when the force acting on the particle has tangential. If the force acting on the particle is perpendicular, that means theta is equal to 90, then cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, dk by dt is equal to 0. Therefore, the kinetic energy of the particle remains constant. Work energy theorem. It is stated that work done by force acting on a body is equal to change in its kinetic energies. Now we have to prove it. Now suppose that constant force F be applied on the body. Now this force displaces the body through distance ds in a time t in the direction of force. Therefore the work done dw is equal to force into displacement, but F is equal to m into a into ds. Now rearranging this equation, we get m dv by dt into ds, where a is equal to dv by dt. Now rearranging this equation, we get m dv ds by dt, but ds by dt, this is rate of change of displacement, which is v, therefore it is equal to mv dv. Now total work done by the force when its velocity changes from u to v is obtained by integrating above equation between the limit u to v. Therefore the work done w is equal to m integration u to v dv. Therefore it is equal to m. Now integration v dv, that means v square by 2 from u to v. So first we put the upper limit, that means 1/2 mv square, and by putting lower limit minus 1/2 mu square. Now 1/2 mv square, this is the final kinetic energy, and 1/2 mu square, this is initial kinetic energy. Therefore the work done w is equal to change in kinetic energies. This equation is a mathematical form of work energy theorem, which states that work done by the force acting on a body is equal to the change in its kinetic energies.